So the courier parcel will arrive, our things. They will deliver from the Flipkart our sofa set, cover and cushions. Hmm? What's this? I think this is cushions. This is for the sofa cover, and this is for cushions cover for pillow. This is for the dining table chair cushions. Yeah, dining table cover, and this is sofa cover. Lump is deliver from Flipkart. The lump to just deliver. Wow, our lump is deliver. Sponsor Ma'am Alice. Maraming maraming salamat po Ma'am Alice.
Ito po yung isang order namin. Ito po ay galing po yan kay Ma'am Alice. Ayan. Si Ma'am Alice po ang sponsor natin dito. Kung makita nyo, galing to sa Flipkart. Ayan. So, buksan po natin kung ano po ang unang dumating. O yung aking tiyan naiipit. Ganun lang pala. Ano to? Unique short. Good. Para sa safety. Kaya yun. Tama ba? Is it correct? For here. Okay. Tapos dito. Tama, di ba? Ito. Oh. Yay! No. Wow! Itong lampshade pala dumating. Paano natin isasaksak to? Doon. Nga pala, hindi ko naisip. Oh, wow, ang ganda niya.
Later you see here. Show me here.
Demo to. Ayan, parang sa demo.
Show me my John here.
Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-demo niya na papel. So, ito naman, ito yung kanyang katawan. Oh, naku po. Kailangan pala ng saksakan to. Akala ko, ang ganda niya, siya, para siyang, bakal. Metal pala, ano ba yan? Bakal ako ng bakal. Tapos ito naman,
This is down.
oo,
What this? Wood or what?
wood. Wood niya. Ito naman yung wood, yung pinaka-stand niya. Dito siya, yung gano'n na siya. Saan ba? Sa mga titignan natin mamaya. Dito muna kayo. Siyempre. Huwag muna kayo malikot. Okay. There's another box.
How many bucks are maybe they
Three.
charge only for the box?
Kailangan natin to.
It's not heavy.
Yes. May lagayan tayo ng mga damit. Mga damit.
What?
May dyan yung shoe, dear. Akyat natin. Ayan. Pregel. 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 Ganito pala siya.
Wow!
Ano ba to? Ganon? Ganon. Ganon siya. Ganon siya? O ganon? i-ano natin, i-ayusin natin. Yes, oh, ayan, ganito siya. Ang ganda ng quality niya, promise. Maramot ka siya matibay, yes. Let's try to fix. Ayan, ayusin na ni Beji, assemble na niya.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Alice.
See again.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Alice. Thank you so much.
Ayan. Ganun pala. Ayan na. Tuwang-tuwa yan na si Lakshmi pag makita. Tuwang-tuwa yan si Lakshmi na naman.
Oh!
Oh. Oo, yan, ganun siya. Ganun pala siya. Kasi sabi ng ating isang viewers, bilagyan mo ng lampshade. Ang plano ko sana is yung yung flower na artificial. Kaso, sabi niya, ang ating isang lampshade na lang. Meron pang ganun. Ang ganda ng lampshade. Ayan, nalagay niya yung kuan. Okay. Ang kulit, ang ganda niya, promise.
Wow! And this is the light.
Bal. Ang kulit. Oo nga, no, ang kulit.
And then let's demo.
Saksak mo nga dito.
Okay? Start.
Okay. Wow, ayan na.
Wow!
Ang ganda naman. Yung ating lampshade. Oo. Ang ganda.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Alice.
Ang ganda niya. It's so nice. I like that. Ayan, nilalagay na po namin kung saan siya nararapat. Doon po siya. Di ba ang kulit? Para siyang uniform sa aming sopa. Ayan. Kagaling to kay Ma'am Maris.
If we have, we can put here in the future, right? But I will try just here, from here. Look, sometimes this one also not working.
That's why we need to buy.
Extension, yeah, I will buy.
Wow. I will off the light, ha?
Yeah.
Yung ilaw. Wow, ang ganda.
Look,
Oh my gosh.
wait, I will hold there.
Diyos ko, ang ganda niya.
Oh.
Ang galing. O, diba?
Wow.
Daddy, Majan, even we did not open the light. Look,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
good.
this is good. No need to open this light. This one. And this one big watt. This one is small. Yeah. It's open. But should need switch. I will put there is far.
Ayan na. Ang galing naman. Nakakatuwa, ang ganda ng lampshade.
It's nice, right? Look that. Wow.
Kailangan nakatayo ka lang dyan.
Amazing. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Alice.
And
God
thank you
bless
so much po, ma'am. Ayan na yung aming lampshade na dumating. Pero ba kami dating na-order?
कहाँ गई लो?
Tumba tuloy.
It's good. We can make two switch. Make for phone charger or the other one. Cross keep it, huh?
Not like.
So the courier parcel will arrive our things. They will deliver from the Flipkart our sofa set, cover and cushions. What's this? I think this is cushions. This is for the sofa cover, and this is for cushions cover for pillow. This is for the dining table chair cushions. Yeah, dining table cover, and this is sofa cover. This is a dining table. For the dining table chair.
What this?
For dining chair, for the chair, dining table. My father asked me what's that. So we receive sofa cover and dining table cover.
Ito na po, dumating na yung aming yung aming yung cover po ng aming sala set. Galing po din kay Ma'am sorry. Galing po to kay Ma'am Alice. Ma'am Alice, ito na po. In order na, dumating na po yung aming order. Ayan. Meron pa lang Ayan, buksan na po natin. Siyempre, tanggalin natin yung mga plastic dito para Bangin anak, maggunting ni anak. Buligin anak pagkuhan anak ko. Halika, dali na. We will put this one. Be careful ha. Maybe. We have to take care. Yan. Tanggalin mo anak ko. Yan. Tapos tulungan mo si mama. Dali na. Huwag ka sa kabila. Anak, baklara dito anak, please. Usod ka dun, baby. Usod ka dun, anak ko. Hawakan mo yung dulo, anak. Hawakan mo yung magdulo. Dapat magkadulo yan, anak. Wait, anak. Is it good? Nak, let daddy fit. I think this.
Start. Yes, start. You'll cut, huh?
Anak mo mablitin. Ayaw ga dira rimple sila.
Yeah, this one backside.
Backside this. Nak, niulitin ka na anak. Ay napaglabti anak, ay napaglabti. Look, there is Majan, this one. Wait anak. Yes, this one here. Yes.
The pillow.
Later we will help the pillow. You can do the pillow later. And then we have to do like this. Majan. Yes. This is a lot of space here. No. No, Majan. Lap. Okay. Oo. Anak, pasok mo sa loob ko, anak. It's good. Wow. Is it good? Wow, it's so nice.
Daddy, I can put
Ay, pag-tumbling na, please. Ah.
what these.
There is tie down. We have to tie down.
Ah,
We have to tie on the ano.
I need to go inside. I need to.
No need. Here the ano.
Here, not now, not now, not now. Lift that outside. Put this one down in the. And then you don't tie inside. You tie there. I can't pull.
Like this. Only one.
See, sit there at home. That's true.
Only one.
How you tie it?
Here on the ano.
This one? The one for standing?
Yeah.
The nice looking one.
Oh, put down Rem. No.
Hold that. Hold. Hold that. Come here, come to me. I will tie. There is two, one back side, one front side. What tie? That one. Look, this one.
Ah, okay. Yala, you do it.
Don't look over there.
Okay. What you need?
Oh.
What is that?
And then daddy other side.
Good. It's coming there out. Why this one out?
Ayan, that's good. You cannot go inside. And then the other side. Lakshmi, help your daddy.
Come.
Go help your daddy, Rem. Go help your daddy.
Come. That's not the tie. That's not the tie. Leave it. Wow. Nice.
Mosquito. Oh, my stomach.
We are poor. We are poor.
Ang tadak, anak. Yeah.
Okay, next.
Next. Anak, dali. Dali. Help your daddy.
Katagunting. Tagunting. That's it, mate.
Slowly.
Hmm.
Wait, let me find the point.
Yun, daddy,
Hold,
Lakshmi.
hold there. Hold there.
Wow.
Don't do anything. I'm doing.
Ayan na, ito na po yung aming yung cover na binili namin, yung binili namin. Galing din po kay Ma'am Alice. Ma'am Alice, thank you so much po. Ito na rin po yung aming mga cover sa aming Tapos, ganun din po kay Ma'am Alice din po ito. Ayan, yung lampshade. Tsaka boss yung amin naman, din, punta na tayo sa lagay ng cover sa aming dining table. Let's go. Anak, can you give this in the kitchen? The food. Wow, it's so nice. And this, so ayan na, ilalagay namin yung cover naman ng aming mga salasin. Go bring anak the cover there. Yan, help anak put there. Go bring one plate, table, chair. No, table for the chair. Yan, tunggal ka na anak. Sa'yo. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Alice. Ito na kami nagano na po kami. Naglalagay na po kami ng mga cover. Ayan. Nagtatanggal na po namin yung plastic para maganda na tingnan.
How is it?
Ganon siya, Daddy. Look here.
Like
Ang in-order po namin is yung kapartner. Yung in-order po namin is yung kapartner po ng aming sala para naman po is uniform po sila. Kaya yan, Lakshmi, look. Yes, perfect siya. Oh. So perfect.
how?
Galing. Baliktad anak ko. Are you sure? Baliktad.
This is perfect.
Yeah, this is perfect. Can you bring the other gun?
Nawala mo din ilo mo.
Nako rin, may dahit. Kalawik yung daddy flower. We should remove this carton first. Anak ko, ilagay mo doon. Kalas here first. Kailangan natin yung mga karton. Kailangan natin ilagay. Di ba perfect? On the other table, I will remove this one. No, Jan, I need to remove this one. It's still not good looking. Anak, don't do that, anak ko. Help just with your daddy. Lagyan mo sa baba. Masusugatan ka, masusugatan. Huwag mong pilitin pag di kaya rin. Masusugatan ka. Pag di kaya, huwag mong pilitin ang sarili mo, masusugatan ka rin. Napasugat ito rin, kalas rin. I will do, rin, anak ko. Kalas, masusugatan ka niyan. Saan mo lang ganun, anak? Wow. I told you, anak, give me. Call your grandpa, dali.
Daddy sleeping.
They're sleepy. Anak, masusugatan ka, gad anak. May naman ako gunting, masusugatan ka. Hindi ka man namamati. Uy, sandarunggan. There's two more. How many? Ah, how many pieces? Ah, 6? Only 5. There's more? No. It should be 6. Ba't kulang? Check there. Okay, ba't kulang? Did you check before?
It's here, it's here.
Ah, okay. Anak, ilagay mo to sa cabinet ko, pantayin ko to sa mata. Tutulog si mama. Tapos sa cabinet. I will remove the other, daddy. Daddy, the other chair. No. Next time, yeah. I will buy. Give me. Anak, I will remove. Please, later, cabinet. Tama basura, anak, tama basura. Ang ganda po ng upuan. Para siyang alam niyo yung yung sasakyan. Ito yung upuan niya, ang ganda. Kaya pala siya mahal. Anak, ayos, sige na. Daddy will, no, just two, anak, just two. Don't, Don't put, anak. No. Don't put. Not 3. Only, for 2. 2 person, not 3.
What's not three? This one is there. This one is there.
Careful that you. Pag hinuno si anak, please. I will remove the cover. Give me the scissor. Give me the scissor rin. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Alice. Ayan, meron na kaming sopa, meron na kaming cover sa aming sopa. Tsaka yung aming lampshade din po, ayan. Thank you so much po. At tsaka po, yung aming dining table. Ma'am, maraming salamat po at God bless po sa inyong lahat. Na may mas marami pa pong blessing dumating po sa inyo at nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat po naming mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po. Napakabuti po ng puso niyo po. Alam ko hindi lang po kami ang iyong tinutulungan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Lakshmi.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Alice.
Andali.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Alice. God bless you.
Ingat
Thank
po
you,
kayo
thank you
lagi
so
sa
much
work, ma'am. Lahat
for
po
your
ng mga
blessing
sponsors.
with us, the sofa,
Sofa,
cover, dining table, cover.
Dining table.
This lamp, it's very amazing when you put in the night, but thank you so much. God bless you forever. Thank you. God
Maraming
bless you.
salamat po, Ma'am Alice. Bye-bye po.
Thank you so
Masaya po
much.
si Lakshmi kasi ngayon, Rice, may lakad kami. Ayan. At kay Ma'am Alice.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Alice, for my what?
Shopping.
Shopping.
Bye-bye po, Ma'am Alice. Ingat po kayo lagi
Thank you
sa
so
work.
much.
Ingat po.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.